ما ودي نشوف ولا هذا
يا ولد
Lancers starting to maneuver for their rounding. And the order got to stop her up. They're rounding now. Nice wide rounding. They've no close neighbour, to put the pressure on them. They're taking it nice and easy as they head for home. The Liberator approaching the rounding now.
They have to finish in this side of the bridge. If they don't, they get disqualified. Didn't you?
Bobbitt's still on the rounding there. They're over. It's crossing the line. But they're free, but they've lost a lot of ground there. Come on, up their third. Come on, our rounding. They're coming out the outside to the Valencia side. There could be a risk here rest of the Liberator if they don't get going. They lost a bit of momentum there. But they're away. It's Valencia up front, the Liberator getting back their energy and they're pulling away from on again.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Great. Yeah.
The men from Valencia, as they head past the pier for the final time, before they take the shot.
They have to fish that way to get the spot.
The Liberator in second. Come on in third. Over the water, approaching the rounding now. Now turning. Turning. They're nearly ready for home. All 5 boats are ready for home now. They've had a super race. Valencia approaching the finish line here now.
Come Valencia!
It's Valencia. Water race by Valencia. The Liberator. Coming in, take the hood for second. They're shouting the oars. That's their job.
Well done, lads.
Come on, taking the third position there. And we've got all the water coming in now. Clean, all up on top of them. These two have had a great race. The whole way down, the whole way up. They've been watching each other. I thought the rest was finished, but we get a foul yet. All of the water are clear.
Come on, lads.
To take that 4th position, followed by Conakry, taking 5th at their home regatta.
Come on, Conakry.
Fair play to all boats. Super stuff.
No.